Hey everybody, here we go with another episode of Out for the Trash. Today we have a Toro 850 Super Blower Vac that was out in the trash, and it's got an off, slow, and fast, and this doesn't feel that great. And we noticed that in here the one terminal's melted. We might have to cut this off and put a new end on, but let's come on over here and let's grab the extension cord. All right, does it work? Put on low. All right, everybody, there's our Toro blower that was out for the trash. And you know, the switch doesn't feel that good, but it still works. We might have to put a new end on it, but anyway, there we go. All right, everybody, just a real quick one here to show you what we got out for the trash. It's amazing what people throw away. All right, everybody, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. You can always do that in that corner. Please give me a thumbs up if you like the videos. Please like and share.